next varieties that we have, and just to discuss them and go over the different things that they say online and also just what we have found. And if you hear any weird noises in the background, it's probably my two helpers running around. So with that being said, let's go. Right here, we have the Marty Gro. The one thing I'll say about a Marty Gro is, other than what you'll look at and assume right here, is it's a compact grower, actually. Again, we're going to look at this plant and go, that doesn't look compact to me. So just remember too, with a lot of these with compact grow, like, yeah, they stay real they take time to grow. They can still get big over time. You'll see on this one, for example, it gets real thick. And other varieties I will show later on, that are big, just as big as this, if not bigger, they're real thin. So you kind of know when they're real thin like that, a lot of times, man, they grow fast. Not always, so somebody will jump on that. Not always, but a lot of times you'll see those real thin ones, man, they're just growing fast. Or something like this, even though it doesn't look compact, again, multi-years old on this is what you would consider a compact grower. They grow well. It's a great grower. Again, when we discuss some varieties that are a little more temperamental, we've had great success with this one. We've taken multiple cuttings off this, and so it does really well. Seeds well, it grows well. I mean, so it's another one. And again, I will go close to the blooms just so you can get a close look up to the blooms. There's also another one where, again, we talk about a lot of them are real floral smelling. This actually has almost a fruity, a peach smell to it. Again, you do you. That's just what we've noticed and what we smell. It gets that little more of a fruity smell, rather than more on the side of that floral rose smell. And again, and I will show others where we have multiple blooms, inflows coming out. If anyone's not familiar with that term, inflow is just when you start to see it, starts where flowers are going to start to grow, and you see that coming out. That's an inflow. So that's what that when you see that bouquet of flowers, that's an inflow of flowers coming out. Again, easy to propagate for us. We've had real good success with doing that, even though, like you said, it is compact, even though it doesn't look compact here. It's real thick base, real sturdy. So that's the thing we like about this too. Where other plumerias you'll find, some you almost have to prop them, like certain plumerias, because they almost get real rubbery, and so they're not real stiff and solid. So again, just certain varieties you'll see that. So yeah, Marty Gro, great grower, great bloomer. Even though it doesn't look like this, I just got it today just because we have a few really nice blooms on it. But I will show you all the other inflows that are coming out on this. So recap, compact, even though this doesn't look like it. Great bloomer. Again, you get a lot of the big bouquets generally on these. With that being said, with all plumerias, remember too, color. If someone says, well, that doesn't look like, that's not the variety. Remember, heat, sunlight, water, temperature, all that will change the color of that bloom. So, and then sometimes multi-cycles before you get to your third or fourth cycle, before you see your true color. So just because one doesn't look like what someone says it's going to look like, remember, your super high heat or cold, lack of sunlight will all change the colors of your blooms. So just remember that. So let me jump to the flower just so you can see that. And I'm going to show you the inflows. Right back. Oh yeah. All right, so here's the flower, everybody. So again, you're going to see the flower, you tend to have a lot of pink, and then you're going to have that yellow, orangish center. And this is the one that's older, so you see it's starting to fade. And this is a newer one, so you get a lot more color. And again, these have both been out in the sun for quite a few days. So even when they come out, they're even a little darker than this. But again, these are the colors you'll typically see on a Marty Gro. You're going to get your little bit of white edging. You're going to get your pinks, your darker pinks. And then you're going to get that orangish yellow center. Starts out orange, kind of starts to turn to a yellow over time. With that being said, let me show you too, like I said, this is a really great bloomer. It blooms almost every year for us. And again, when you have a big plant like this, you'll get one branch that'll bloom that year and another a branch that'll bloom another year. So just, and then, so let me back this out and I'll show you. So what I was saying about blooming and multiple blooms, you can see this one, this has a lot more blooms coming out on this inflow. This one will still have plenty more coming out on it. It almost looks like, oh no, that's not. You can also be able to tell when you start to see a seed pod on this one, for example. If everybody can see my hand and see where I'm looking. This is where a flower was. This is going to be a seed pod. So just so everyone can see, that right there is a seed pod that's popping out and is going to grow. So again, we'll get a ton of seeds out of that. Also, way back here in the back, we can see, hopefully I got all this out. You can see another inflow here, and I'm not going to try and get to it, but there's another one back there. So again, this one's going to bloom a lot more. We'd actually already bloomed a lot already, but we're going to get a lot more blooms out of this. So there it is, everybody. The Marty Gro. On to the next. All right. Second for today. It is hot out here today, if you haven't noticed. All right. So this is the Moragy. Now, there's multiple names within the Moragy family. The Moragy happens to be a compact grower. Now, obviously, by looking at this, oh yeah, of course. Well, this isn't that old of a plant for us. It's a fairly new Plumeria for us. But what I will say is, the thing I haven't said in others about compact growers is compact growers, even though like I've shown you others that tend to get big, that's the thing is compact, they grow this way versus this way. So it's what you see with a lot of these compact growers, they kind of go like this versus some will just go straight up. So that's where you kind of see that they, again, and that's what a lot of people like about them because they get that more of that little tree look versus some just go straight up, which I have others I'll show you. But well, that's it. Moragy, compact grower. Again, it's very, again, another one that's very solid, very well growing. I have heard people say that they have issues, and again, in that Moragy family of trying to grow their cuttings, that the cuttings be temperamental. I can't attest to that because we haven't done that yet. This is one of our newer plant, obviously, by size. And with that said, this is a cutting. So we got this cutting and we rooted. We got this from a friend and we rooted it. So we know it works. It's just, they've heard they can be temperamental. Flower, you get a bright pink flower. Where this one, I would say floral rise, you get that more of that, the best way I describe it, almost a spicy flower. It's like, so you get a floral spiciness to this flower. Very well bloom. Again, I've said that with a lot, but some tend to have a lot less blooms come out, and some get your big bouquets. This one does really well. As you can see, it's doing very well right now. And I will bring us in closer to show you up close to this flower. Yeah, it's just another beautiful one. I can smell it sitting here, kneeling here. And so yeah, Moragy. That is all I got to say about this one. It's again, another beautiful flower, and let me get you in close. Okay, everybody, here it is. There's the Moragy bloom. You can see again, it's got the pink with starts out dark on one side and kind of fades to a lighter pink on the other with that orange center. So that's where you'll see an orange center, very pink, and then it fades as it goes along. You know, beautiful smell, beautiful flower with a great smell. And there you have it, the Moragy. All right, so there we have it for our two for this episode. I appreciate everyone for watching. Appreciate anyone that subscribes. Again, if you have questions, send them to me. I'll do my best to answer them. And until next time, y'all have a great day.